Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage your map on TCL Sweeva 6500. To do it, click on three dots in top right corner in the app, then go to Manage App and Manage Map, and now you can either click here to delete the map, click here to edit it. When you click on it, you can rename it, or you can click here to save the map so it doesn't vanish, and you can go back to it. It's extremely helpful if you, for example, move your robot between different floors or between different homes, and then you'll be able to just click on change homepage map to set that old map. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.